Also now this afternoon, the accused Gilgo Beach serial killer, Rex Heuermann. He's appearing in court on Long Island today for the first time since pleading not guilty to murder charges. This as his estranged wife is breaking her silence, telling ABC News her life has been upended and she's living a nightmare. So joining us now for more is Ariel Reshef. She's in our New York studio, and ABC News legal contributor and criminal defense attorney Shauna Lloyd. Ladies, thank you so much. Ariel, first to you, what do you know about today's court appearance?
Well, Kana, we know that this is Rex Heuermann's first court appearance since he pleaded not guilty to those murders, those 3 murders of several sex workers back in 2010. This is expected to be mostly a procedural hearing. We could see them discussing his representation. We could see them discussing the terms of his incarceration. What's unlikely, even if there is a bail submission submitted to the judge, it's very unlikely that we'll see him granted bail based on many analysts' perspectives because of the severity of these crimes, Kana.
Certainly, and Ariel, you had a chance to speak with the lawyer representing his now estranged wife. She's filed for divorce. What more are you learning, and what does she tell you about the things that she didn't know?
Right. So, Kana, the lawyer says that this woman was blindsided, that Asa Ellerup was completely taken aback by these severe allegations against her husband of 25 years. Prosecutors and police both say that Asa Ellerup had no idea what was going on, that he used burner phones to contact his alleged victims, and that she was out of town, that phone records put her out of town at the time that these killings occurred. Her attorney telling us that her life has been upended. The lives of their children have been upended. They have a child with special needs who is said to be sitting up in a chair because he is traumatized by this. Asa Ellerup told us last night that she herself is crying herself to sleep, that she hears her daughter crying herself to sleep. And just picture this. This investigation took place at the home that they shared as a family for more than 25 years. So you can imagine the fallout and imagine what that house looked like when investigators were finished with their investigation. They ripped up couches, they ripped up bathtubs, they were looking for evidence, and so they say that their life has been in shambles. And I asked about why Asa Ellerup filed for divorce from her husband of 25 years. You can take a listen to what the lawyer said. Why did Asa file for divorce?
To protect herself and her children. Obviously, with the criminal charges pending, you never know what the outcome is going to be.
Will she testify against Rex Heuermann?
We have not been asked to or contacted by the DA's office or any investigators to that.
Would she entertain the idea of testifying against her husband?
Yeah, it's way too early to even discuss whether she has any relevant information or not on the criminal charges.
And so, Kana, you heard there, it's still very early in this investigation, and even her attorney says it's unclear whether or not the DA would ask Asa Ellerup to testify against her husband, but rest assured that would probably be a very powerful testimony.
No kidding, Ariel. And Shauna, to you on that note, what kind of impact would testimony from Heuermann's estranged wife have on the trial?
If she has some probative evidence, or if she has any information about this particular incident or where his whereabouts, that might be very impactful for a jury because she was there real time. And if she is not associated with any of these crimes as indicated as of now, she may have information that might be very valuable.
Wow. And also, Shauna, today's court appearance will be a briefing. So can you explain to us the significance of having a briefing before a trial?
So it's pretty much a procedural hearing. They're going to go through the witness list. They're going to go through basically everything to get the judge up to speed on what's been happening. What we may see potentially could be any superseding indictments that may come through. You're going to hear about the witness list and other procedural issues that have to be handled before going to trial.
All right, Ariel and Shauna, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. We appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.